Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're taking a look at the Qi 2.0 3-in-1 magnetic desktop wireless charger. This is actually the Leap M315A model. We're going to unbox this, going to take a look at it, we're going to test it out, and you're going to find out something that I was surprisingly satisfied with this. It makes it a little bit unique from other magnetic wireless chargers, so I was kind of surprised about something. You got to stick around to find out what that is. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. Let's get started with the unboxing right now. So let's unbox the Qi 2.0 3-in-1 desktop magnet wireless charger. So here's the box. It did come wrapped in plastic. I went ahead and took that off before I do this unboxing. So here's everything about it. It's a pretty simple packaging, really. A lot of the information stuff on the back. Specifications: 3.0 power adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide. Says phone output 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 15 watt. Input 5 volt, 3 amp. So there you go. Watch output 3 watt. So let's get this unboxed. It feels like it just slides. It does just slide. Top just slides off of here like this. And then here we go. We have, well, looks like we take the box out. That's weird. There's nothing actually in there. So anyway, pull that to the side. Here is the charger. So flip down there. I guess these flip down. Right like that. That's interesting. I have to read a quick start guide because I'm not 100% sure what charges what. Looks like a fan underneath. USB-C for power. So looks like the phone sits right here, and then you have some other things that sit right here. We have an AC adapter brick. Oh, look at that, USB-A or USB-C. So that's nice. Is there anything in here? There is something in here. Let's see what this is. That's my cable, USB-C to USB-C. And it's like in the bottom of this. Interesting packaging. There's a ring. Oh, I bet that's yep, that sticks to your phone. It's a magnetic ring. We'll read the quick start guide, but I'm pretty sure that sticks to your phone. And you get, looks like, the very bottom. Stuck down in there. Get a quick start guide. Let's see what it says in here. So yeah, you attach a ring to the back of your phone. And there's the overview. So this is for charging earbuds. The other side looks like for charging a watch charging, earbud charging, and then your phone charger. So interesting. And then you also have just a bunch of other, it looks like instructionals maybe. I don't know what this is. Warranty information. All the different languages. Right there. So anyway, don't think we'll need any of this stuff, but we have it if we need it. So throw all that back in there. All this garbage. This is all we care about. We care about this. And we care about these two things right here. So let's get it all set up. We'll see how it works. I'm curious how this works. So, okay. Let's set it up and see what it looks like set up and phone charging. So we have the wireless charger set up. I've got it powered and hooked up here. And there's this really charges three things. Your phone, there's a spot here for your watch, and you just flip this thing up. So this little flip things up. Now I have my wife's Apple Watch, and I'm going to put it on there and see if it starts charging. It clips magnetically, and it's charging. So your watch just slides on there, and it begins charging. Now with your phone, what you have to do is it comes with this metal ring that you have to attach to your phone. Now, I was a little bit concerned at first because almost all devices like this are usually made to charge the phone by itself. The problem is very few people I know carry the phone open like this. They all have a case. So what I was curious was, with the ring on the phone, if I put the case on, will it charge the phone? So first of all, we're going to test it, and I'm going to show you how it charges the phone the way it's supposed to. So this ring just attaches. It had a sticky back. I put it on there. It almost stuck like a magnet. And so if you put the phone here, it magnetically attaches, and you can see it starts charging right away. Now the magnet is pretty strong. So if I literally, let's pull from this way, it'll pick the whole thing up. It's pretty strong. So to get your phone off there, you kind of got to hold it down and click it off. Now, what I'm going to do though is I have a case. This is my case. Yes, it's pretty dirty and old, but I'm going to put the phone in the case. Whoops, turn the light on. And ignore this. This is a key card for something else. So here the ring is inside the case, right? So I'm going to put it on here, and I wanted to know, will it charge it in the case? And it does. So that's a really good feature about this, because a lot of the wireless magnetic charging, I have one in my truck, and it works the same way, except it's mounted in my truck. It won't charge with the case on. It'll charge without, but not with the case. So that's a very, very good feature of this thing, that you can put that ring on your phone and then put your phone in the case and it will still charge. Now, it doesn't stick quite as good. It kind of just barely gives a little bit of a magnetic pull there, but you can easily pull your phone right off. So I really like that. I really like that. And that's why I probably will use this a lot. And I think you can put your phone directly on here without that magnetic ring. So if somebody else wants to put their phone on charge, they can charge it and it will work. Now this right here is a spot for charging AirPods. The AirPods that I have two different sets. They don't have any kind of wireless charging in the case that would go here, so I can't really demonstrate that. And I don't know of anybody that has them. I need to look that up to see. Maybe it only charges AirPods made by this company. I'm not sure, but I don't have anything to test this. But what I will say is the two things that I have tested, which are the phone and the watch, work perfectly. And it's a really great feature. I mean, I think this thing is well worth the money. So that's the Qi2 desktop magnetic wireless charger. I was very surprised how good this thing works, and I was pleasantly surprised that it actually works with a phone case on the phone, because most of these devices don't work that well. Also, if you're just charging your phone and you don't have to charge your earbuds or a watch like me, then right here it folds up on the side, but it's there if you ever need it. But it's compact. Sit this on your desk, quickly charge. It's like a phone stand as well as a charger. So excellent design. I really like this. I would suggest you picking one of these up. You can find a link in the description and on my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/Mike's World. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, and also leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Take care.